I am so excited to announce that Magnetify has finally been approved for our Kit app. So that means you can seamlessly sync your leads from Magnetify to Kit. And from Kit to Magnetify, you can actually start embedding your lead magnets. So here I am on the Kit App Store, and I just wanted to show you where we're at. This is if you are a Kit user, you're going to see this store, but I'm going to show you what it looks like on the actual Kit side as well. So as you can see here, this is Magnetify, and you can click and learn more about what you can do with Magnetify and Kit with the app. But let's go ahead and go in on the organic lead generation funnel, just so I can show you exactly how this is all going to work and exactly where we're at this point now with lead magnets. If you're not familiar with this organic lead generation funnel, I've done a video on this outlining how you can actually use the 3 C's to get more leads for your business and bring people in to get to know you. So as far as Magnetify is concerned, we are taking care of this whole middle of funnel type of content right here, because these are all the different lead magnets. With Magnetify, you can most definitely create multiple lead magnets at a time for your different levels of awareness for your customers. So say, for instance, you have a customer that's a complete beginner and you have someone who's in the intermediate stage, and then you may have someone who already knows what they want, knows what they need, and you have it. So just a little bit of information there. So you're going to create different lead magnets depending on the customer journey. And with Magnetify, you can do that. And now, since we have this Kit integration, we have this Kit app, this means that these lead magnets, not only are you getting access immediately with Magnetify, because that's our trademark thing, right? So like you put in your name and your email address, you immediately get access to the lead magnet. But at this point, all of these leads are going to go directly into your email list on the Kit side. So it makes it very seamless. And then from there, you can start sending them emails about your newsletter, send them a VSL, invite them to your community, send them affiliate links, their nurture sequence, all of that good stuff. So that's how this Kit integration and this Kit app is going to make things easier for Magnetify users, okay? So let me go ahead and take you into Magnetify itself. So when we're in Magnetify, the Kit app is going to be found under the integrations tab. And I do want to let you know that this is actually available for all 3 tiers. So this is not just a higher tier thing. If you have the lowest Magnetify tier, you have this Kit integration. The Kit integration is obviously only going to work if you are a Kit subscriber and you use Kit for your emails. But this is how it basically works. So we have the integrations here. You have to be connected on your Kit side, meaning that you have to be logged in. And it's just a simple click. I want to show you something real quick before we actually connect. I want to go to a created lead magnet. And I want to show you what the editor looks like before we connect with Kit. So if you look down here on the left-hand column, you just see the settings and you don't see anything up under it. So what we're going to do is we're going to go back to the integrations tab right now, and we're going to connect to Kit. We're going to grant access to Magnetify. And so right here, it says that the Kit account is connected successfully. So that means from Magnetify, now we can send those new leads directly into Kit. So let me go back to a created lead magnet just to show you what things are going to look like. Okay. So down here on the left-hand side, remember how we didn't have anything under here? Now we have the Kit integration. And basically, whatever lead magnet you have, you can either put them into a form or you can put them into a sequence that you've already created within Kit. So from here on out, every time someone enters in their email address, puts in their name, and accesses your lead magnet, they are automatically going to be synced to Kit in either a form or a sequence, or both if you want it that way within Kit. So let me actually take you over to Kit side as someone who is actually logged in to Kit so you can see everything here. So this is our Kit account. And then where you're going to find the Magnetify app is under the Automate section. So when you click on Automate, you click Apps, you are going to be able to see all of the apps that are currently available on Kit, and Magnetify is down here. Everything's in alphabetical order if you're looking at all categories. So these are all of the apps that they have going right now. And so we're right smack dab here in the middle. As you can see, I have a check mark, meaning that it's been installed on my side. But let's go ahead and go to lead capture. If you wanted to, further segment this, we're actually in the lead capture category. And then here you go. You see Magnetify again. And so when we click on that, that's basically telling us a little bit more about Magnetify. And then I'm going to go ahead and uninstall, just simply because I want to show you how easy it is. So when you connect Magnetify to Kit, there's two different connections. When you connect Magnetify to Kit, that means you're going to be able to send your leads over to Kit, okay? When you connect Kit to Magnetify, this means you can start embedding your lead magnets within your emails. And if you're not aware how powerful this is super powerful, considering the fact that with Magnetify, these people get access to your lead magnet immediately. So that is a benefit. They get immediate access to whatever lead magnet you create within Magnetify. So number one, we're not worrying about drop off. We're not worrying about an email not coming through or going to spam or whatever. They get immediate access, okay? Number two, when we couple that with Kit and we go ahead and send that nurture sequence or send that follow-up email after they've accessed that lead magnet, it puts it top of mind. So meaning you can embed that lead magnet within that nurture sequence, number one. Another thing that you can do is, say, for instance, you already have an existing list and you go ahead and create a new product or service for your business, and you have a lead magnet, for instance. So you go ahead and put that lead magnet within an email for your existing list. And if people go ahead and sign up for that lead magnet through your existing list, you can further segment your list for whatever specific product or service that you're actually offering. So this is a very powerful app integration with the Magnetify and Kit working together. This is very powerful as far as you getting more leads for your business, you segmenting those leads to more qualified buyers for your products and services, and just making everything a whole lot easier for you and your business, okay? So right here, I'm going to go ahead and click install, and then it's going to be pretty much the same thing as you saw on the Magnetify side. You're going to authorize access. And this is the workspace that we are authorizing access to. We're going to connect to Kit. Okay, so we can either continue to Magnetify and that'll open Magnetify up in another browser tab, or we're just going to stay on Kit. We're going to stay on Kit for now. And then what I want to show you is what it's going to look like once we embed a lead magnet within Kit and within an email, okay? So if we go to a broadcast, and as you can see, I've had a lot of testing here. So this is an example of what a lead magnet will look like within the email. I'm not going to play with this one. I'm going to play with this one down here. What I'm going to do is I'm going to go ahead and delete this. And wherever you want in your email, say you've got text, welcome, thanks for downloading my lead magnet, blah, 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 whatever you're going to put there. What you need to do is within Kit, so we have this plus button here, and this is where you can add different things within your emails. So you're going to have to scroll down. You go down all the way down until you see the Magnetify app. Okay. And then right here is going to tell you to configure Magnetify in the sidebar. And so right here is where you're going to see all of your lead magnets. So as you can see, we have the lead magnet fit kit and the test lead page, and that correlates with the lead magnets that I have here. And so let's go ahead and put this one in. And you're not going to see anything until you actually get to the content type. And this is a lead page. And so this is what this looks like here. So we have the layout style. You can do a card, which this is. We can do minimal, which is just a button and the title of the lead magnet. And then we can also do full, which is just going to be a bigger version of the embed. You can change your text here as far as your button text. You can change your button color. You can show the title or not show the title within your lead magnet. So this is pretty cool considering the fact that there's so much you can do with it. Once someone actually accesses your lead magnet from the Magnetify side and they get into Kit, these leads are actually going to be tagged. And I'm going to show you what a tagged lead looks like from Magnetify if you're curious about that. So if I go to my subscribers, I'm going to go to a test down here. Okay, so if we look, so I actually wanted this person to go into a test form, and the tags that they get is, number one, they get that they are a Magnetify lead. So you're never not going to know where your leads came from. You're going to know exactly who came from Magnetify and what lead magnet it is. And then right here, it's telling you that it's Magnetify test kit lead page. So it's telling you the exact lead magnet that they downloaded or accessed from Magnetify, so you can further segment your list. So from here, it's just whatever sequence that you're putting them in. And this is really cool. Like I said, this takes a lot of time off the average entrepreneur's plate, the average business owner's plate, as far as not only creating the lead magnets, not only creating multiple lead magnets, because with Magnetify, you have that ability to create multiple lead magnets pretty quickly. So if you had 7 lead magnets, you can probably do all of them within a couple of hours. This does not take long at all. And if you want to use any of the templates that we have a ton of templates here for different industries, online industries, brick and mortar industries as far as leads, as far as, the stages of awareness, like I was talking about earlier. So like, here's a lead magnet for the most aware stage, resource lists, template packs, all of that good stuff that you can actually use to make your lead magnets quicker. And then when you go to the organic lead generation funnel, you can have all of these done within a couple hours max, right? So you have all these different lead magnets. You can have all these lead magnets going to different forms or different sequences within Kit. And so you can segment them and start getting more leads, start getting more sales for your business. So this was just a quick overview. I'm super excited considering the fact that Magnetify at this point is only 3 months old. And we've made a lot of progress in getting to a big marketplace like Kit. And I'm just looking forward to what Magnetify has in the future and other things that we'll be doing with the software. We have got other things in the pipeline that I'll be revealing here in the next couple of months or so. But in the meantime, if you enjoyed this video, please let me know. If you have any questions about lead magnets and, email sequences and all that good stuff, let me know down in the comments. Be sure to like the video, subscribe to the channel if you haven't done so already, and share with others. And I'll see you on the next video.